Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pre-workout powder. Pre-workout supplements are formulated to boost your energy, focus, and endurance during exercise. They typically contain ingredients like caffeine, creatine, and amino acids. Understanding the basics helps you get the most from your supplement. Always read the product label for specific instructions and ingredient information before starting. Finding the right dosage is crucial for effectiveness and safety. Most products suggest 1 scoop, but starting with a half scoop is wise to check your body's reaction. Take it about 20 to 30 minutes before you plan to start exercising. This allows enough time for the active ingredients to be absorbed and begin working, giving you that needed boost. Mixing your pre-workout correctly ensures proper absorption and taste. Typically, you'll mix 1 scoop of powder with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. Use a shaker bottle for best results, shaking vigorously until the powder is fully dissolved. You can also stir it into a glass of water. Avoid mixing with hot liquids, as this can degrade some ingredients. Remember to stay hydrated, drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. It's also a good idea to cycle off pre-workout for 1 to 2 weeks every few months to prevent your body from building a tolerance. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust as needed. Consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.